This is an unboxing of the Vornado MVH space heater. Let's take a look at the box and see what's included inside. So you can see right here, Vornado whole room heater heats and circulates all the air. All right, let's go ahead and get this box open. You can kind of see here, this is where the label was. I went ahead and took that off. Here's the top of the box. Go ahead and cut this open. You can also see right here on the front, here's your Vornado 5-year satisfaction guarantee model MVH Plus. All right, let's get this thing out of the box and see what's included inside. We expect this product to be perfect. If it's not, we'll make it right. All right, there you go. Here we can see some paperwork that comes included. And here's our first look at the heater itself. Nice and wrapped up. Go ahead and get this box out of the way. Get this thing out of the plastic wrapping and take a look. You can see there's your power cable. Go ahead and unbox that. And on the bottom here, it looks like you just untie this plastic bag and go ahead and slide this out. And here's our first look at the Vornado MVH Plus space heater. So yeah, this is just kind of like a quick look and unboxing of what the kind of space heater looks like in terms of size and what it might take up kind of around your space. But you can kind of see all of your buttons right here on top, different levels, the on-off switch, and then there's also the safety tip over safety feature, which is nice on this model. But yeah, that was just a quick unboxing and kind of first look at the Vornado MVH space heater. I hope you found this video helpful.